Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to convert PDF to Word in Adobe Reader 2025. If you've ever struggled with editing a PDF file, this is your go-to guide. PDFs are great for sharing documents, but when you need to make changes, converting them to Word can make life a lot easier. And the best part? We'll use the free Adobe Reader software, which might have some updated features in 2025 for smoother conversions. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Reader installed on your computer. If not, head to the Adobe website and download it for free. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're all set, open Adobe Reader and load the PDF file you want to convert. Simply go to the File menu at the top left corner and select Open. Navigate to your PDF and click Open to bring it up on screen. Now, for the conversion magic. Look for the Export or Save as option in the File menu. Adobe Reader in 2025 has made this even more intuitive. Click on it, and you'll see a list of file formats. Choose Microsoft Word as your export format. This step is crucial because it ensures your document retains most of its original formatting, like text, images, and layouts. If you want to fine-tune things, you can select specific pages or adjust settings before proceeding. Hit Export or Save, and choose a location on your computer to save the new Word file. Depending on the size of your PDF, this might take a few seconds. Once it's done, open the file in Microsoft Word to check everything out. You might need to do a quick edit if some formatting didn't carry over perfectly, but that's normal. A few tips to make this process smoother. Always keep a backup of your original PDF, and if you're dealing with scanned documents, you might need OCR tools for accurate text conversion. Adobe Reader could have built-in options by 2025. Also, ensure your Adobe Reader is up to date for the latest features. There you have it, you've just converted your PDF to Word like a pro. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.